Eaton's Bussmann series 1245HC fuses are fast-acting fuses for high power density applications, offering ultra-high current carrying capability in a compact surface mount package. The 1245HC has a 1245 EIA footprint and is available with a nominal current rating up to 100 amps, providing reliable circuit protection in high current applications while shrinking designs by replacing larger cartridge fuses or eliminating the need to parallel lower nominal current rated alternatives. The fuses are rated for up to 125 volts AC and 72 volts DC and can interrupt up to 500 amps and 1000 amps at their respective AC and DC rated voltages. They also have low DCR for higher power efficiency, lower power loss, and less self-heating. The 1245HC shares the same footprint as Eaton's 1025HC 40 and 50 amp fuses, providing designers a single fuse footprint for nominal current ratings from 40 to 100 amps.